Okay, I'm going to do a short video. There's the tabs I got. I welded them on. I've chopped them off. This thing that came, I've cut it off. I'm just got it up here for reference because I'm figuring out how I'm going to do this. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of pipe, not this piece, that piece over there. And I'm going to come out, I'm going to take a nut, I'm going to take a piece of this plate, cut it down like this, square. Center it, drill a hole in the center, and I'm going to tap it. Then I'm going to put a nut, let's see, 1/2 inch. Not one of these, but just that regular nut. Basically drill it, tap it, put that on the end of it, and then my bolt for my shock will go on the end. There's one of them. I got spacers, if you notice. Bunch of brass spacers, Army surplus, had them for decades. But what I'm going to do is the shock's going to mount on that big 3/4 inch piece of steel. I'm going to cut it, make blocks, and put blocks on this block, weld to some meat, and then it's going to bolt in on this side, and it's going to fasten in at the top on this side. So my shocks will look something, it's not lined up, but it'll look something like that. If you want to use what DNA supplies and just use the fenders, it's fine. It's fine to locate it right here down to the top of this block and use 12-inch shocks, and they'll work fine. I'm going to swap for 13s, come out a little bit more. Since I'm different, I can come out to here, and then I'll use 13s to get a little bit better ride, and they'll still have the same degree I had, which was 5 inches from where my little plumb bob goes down to where the shock actually goes. It'll be about 5 inches. So it'll ride good, and I'll be happy with it. But this is where I'm at right now. I just want to pop this out here. I guess this will be 2C, something like that. When I come out with part 3, that'll be that's got everything hooked up. Thanks for watching.